All right, so we are on day 9. I missed yesterday. I just got kind of busy, I guess. The last time we looked in, and I got to close some of this stuff just because I'm going to be overworking. No, I don't want to. I'm going to be overworking my little computer here, so I'm just going to shut down some of this stuff, and you'll get to see that live. So that's great. Anyway, last time we checked in, I was at 332. I've only gained three, um, three members. The Facebook ads are not working. They're just, I mean, if they were working, I would have many more members than this. I got rid of the questions, like I mentioned. It hasn't increased the viewership. I've got a lot of people commenting and stuff, which is good and bad. I actually banned my first guy the other day. So, yeah, interesting. Interesting. So, let's talk about what I am doing right now. Again, the master plan, and let's see if I got this. So, the master plan, and I was explaining this to my coaching group, is this. We're going to run Facebook ads for $10 per day. I'm going to run it to a $17 offer. And then on the back end, I changed it to $39 per month. I think I showed you this where I had a lot of work to do, and I got like most of it done. Yeah, I got most of it done. But what winds up happening is as you check stuff off, you'll realize other things are popping up. And so one of the things I got to do is still do this. But I'm actually in a good position. Redo upsell video. I think I'm okay with my upsell video now. Create ad copy. I've done that. I'm going to show you the images that I plan on using. I still need to do my about page for Skool. Create videos. I've started doing that. Add videos to membership. I've started doing that. Add YouTube course to membership. I'm not really sure what that means, but I'll have to think about it. And then I've actually started adding an unadvertised bonus or two. So let's go back over here. And let's look at the ads that I've created. So we'll get rid of this. These are the ads that I've created, and I've created them all with Canva. So we're gonna open. So this is one, from followers to dollars, how social media mastery can skyrocket your revenue. And again, this is all done with Canva. The one that I really like, I actually like this one a lot. And again, this was done with Canva. And then my other one is going to be this image right here. I wish I could blur kind of this. I could probably blur a lot of this stuff out if I wanted to. Let me see this. So if I wanted to kind of make it stand out a little bit more, I could go to Infinity Photo. I could duplicate this like that. And then for the background, actually what I wind up doing is I am going to, and just to show you, I'm going to hide that. I'm going to rasterize this. See, with this little training here, you get a. I just want to keep this. So let's see. Basically, what I'm going to do is I am going to go along this like this. Let's see. And the reason why I like Affinity Photo is you pay $50 one time and you have it for life. Lifetime updates and everything. So we're just going to, and then I think I'm going to keep this as well. Yeah, we'll keep all of this, and I'll show you what I'm doing in just a second. But you're seeing me do this live. Come up with ideas live. We'll do it live. Okay, so this will take just a moment. It actually goes really quick. We'll slide this over. And again, the reason why I really like Affinity Photo is it is basically Photoshop. Now, this doesn't have to be perfect, but it's basically Photoshop without the reoccurring expense. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable photo editing tool, it's hard to beat Affinity Photo. All right, so great. I got that outlined, and then basically what I'm just going to do is fill all of this in. Who would have thought that you would get a quick photo editing lesson, right? Who would have thought? All right, so I want to make sure, and I can just increase the size of this. All right, great, perfect. Make sure I get all of that. All right. Why this didn't go bigger? Okay, so this is good. So I'm just going to select, invert pixel selection, and then delete. So now I just have the background. And then if I wanted to, I see some areas that I could clean up like this. I'm going to delete that. Now, here's some cool things that I can do. First, I'm going to select, deselect, and then I'm going to go to Effects, and I'm going to do an outer glow, like that. I'm going to bring this back in, do the outer glow a little bit more, so like it pops out like that. Unlike this, rasterize this, and then I'm going to do this Gaussian blur. So, like just a little subtle to make it stand out. That looks cool, doesn't it? Yeah, so I think that looks pretty decent. It might be overkill. Let's bring up the original one here. So I'll get rid of this. Like it's just a little subtle thing, and it has this little glow here. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think it looks cool. And you know what? I might do both. I might do one where it's blurred, and then I might do another one where it isn't blurred at all. So that's 15. Let's see if I can. Oh, I like that. I like that. All right, so I'm going to export this. Now, the purpose of I didn't want to turn this into a let's do 2. I didn't want to turn this into like a photo editing seminar, but it just crossed my mind. And so yeah, I think that looks cool. Maybe it's me, but I think it looks cool. Anyway, we're going to close this. No, I don't want to save it. And I'm just going to show you the before and after. So add images. Here is 1. Here is 2. Side by side. Okay. All right. I don't want to spend a bunch of time on this, but the before and after I think looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. I like it. All right, so we've got that added. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 different ad creatives. Okay, so now we need to go over to Facebook and create Facebook Ad manager. We need to go to our ads manager, which I'll bring over in just a second. Okay, try the new traffic preset. Usually, and I'm going to bring this over now. Usually whenever there's something new, you want to try it because they're going to give you a little bit better metrics. They want to test it out to see what's working, what isn't working. So the traffic preset will update the columns in the table to help you focus on your goals. With this preset, you will now also see these 5 key metrics. Let's try the new preset. I don't know. So what we need to do is we need to create. And now I want to get sales. Find people likely to purchase your product or service. That's what we want. Name, we're going to call this, what is the name? I'm having the damnedest time remembering the name of the product. I don't know what it is or why, but for some reason, I'm just like blanking out on this website. Media Mastery Toolkit. And then I'll just do this. We'll do this. We'll just call this ad set for now. I might have to make multiple ad sets. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Multiple ad sets. And then add. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Oh, one thing I need to do. Create your sales campaign using a tailored, and I haven't run Facebook ads in a long time, so if I read through this, maximize performance and reach, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we'll do it. I haven't run Facebook ads in a long time. So what is this? One thing that you have to make sure that you have on your website or it will get rejected is this right here. This site is not part of the Facebook website or Facebook. Make sure you have that. And I do. I changed my name. It just decided for me. Ad set may get 0 conversions. Okay. I might run into an issue. I don't know if I will, but if my ads get rejected, I think it'll be because of this image right here. That's Joe Biden. I don't know if you can tell, but that's Joe Biden from when they used to put up those stickers that said, I did that, but we'll see. Let's see, pixel. We'll do that pixel. Drive sales and conversions to your website. Maximize number of conversions. Purchase. Your ad may not be optimized. View pixel. Purchase. Copy, purchase event code, conversion value. I already have this. Tester event. I already have this, and I'll show you where I have it. These are all important things to know and understand. And this video is going to be probably obviously a little bit longer. So under social media bundle, I'm going to bring this over. So the way that I have this set up is, let's see what they're talking about here. Okay. So place the event code on your order confirmation page or purchase completion page. Add the event code below the head tag. So what you have to do in order to do Facebook ads, you need to have this tracking code. And then, because I want to convert, maximize for sales, I added my I added my tracking code to the upsell page because, quite honestly, the only people that are going to see that are people that have upsold, have purchased the product. And so, tracking code right here. Script FBQ track purchase USD. Let me see. Maybe. Oh, let me see. Conversion currency. Conversion value. We'll say 17. We'll say USD. But this is basically what I have. Let me see. Yep, script FBQ track purchase. Purchase the value. I mean, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this in. I believe it's the same. We'll save it. Save it. Publish. And then let's see if we can refresh. No activity. May take several minutes. Go test events. It worked yesterday when I tested it. So when I enter in the website URL, copy, paste, open website. When I go back over here, page view, I don't like that. It should say purchase. It should be a purchase. What if so I'm just going to copy this. Copy, undo, oh no. See, purchase right there. Parameters, value $17 USD. So it says no activity, but we're just going to click done. So we're going to leave this blank, audience location. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the tier 1 country. So Canada, United Kingdom. Let me go over to ChatGPT. Chat. List all tier 1 countries. United Kingdom. I'm going to do Germany too. I might decide to pull Germany off. France. Japan, but then I'm also going to do it so that they speak English or read English. Australia, South Korea, Singapore. These weren't on here last time. I might get rid of some of these. Switzerland, Netherlands. You know what's weird is New Zealand isn't on this list. So I did what? Netherlands? Yeah, Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, Norway. Finland. And then I'm gonna add in New Zealand, like that. And then I'm gonna start with a budget of $10 per day. And okay, so today's February 29th. Where I want to make sure I'm targeting people that speak English. Let's see, we'll do more. Denmark, no location, set, reporting, $10 per day, hide options, show options, budget scheduling, suggested next. Let's see what's on next. I don't want it to really run on Instagram. Manual upload, single image or video, add media, upload. Can I do multiple at one time? So 13 placements, primary text. So what I'm going to have to do is essentially, this is going to be a pain. So I'm going to have to do this a few different times. You can hang on and watch if you want. It is, let me see. I really want to find where it says English, because I don't want this to go to people that can't see it and read it, right? But I've got some. Let me see. I've got some ads. I've got some stuff already set up. So let me see. We'll first delete that. Copy this. So this is what it's like to run ads. It's not exciting or sexy or glamorous. It's just, you know, just following the prompts. All right, so what we're going to do is, let's see, partner, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I think I've shown you everything that's really important or relevant. I'm going to go ahead and end the video so that you don't watch me do this basic stuff. In the next video, I'll have more information about, you know, what's working, what isn't working, things that I could potentially change. So thanks so much for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next video.